The people of ULEGUN community once again don't carry waka go Edo State House of Assembly go cry for justice sake of their houses and properties wey the Secretary to the Benin Traditional Council Chief Frank Irabo scatter illegally for August 26, 2022. Una go remember say the people of ULEGUN don first go government house some months ago go cry to Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki make he come help them get justice. The person wey talk on behalf of the people, Pastor Joseph Irogama, for in talk with the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, and members of the House, come talk say belle no sweet dem at all sake of their houses wey dem scatter and the poverty wey dem dey suffer. Na im make dem come cry meet Edo State House of Assembly for justice sake of say dem don go government house tire and dem no get any response, and say make the Speaker help dem for their pains and suffering.
Honorable Speaker, sir, we are here today. We are not here to fight. We are not here to contend. We are here because of our helpless situation. We are here because we have been abandoned and treated even less than a common man in our own state. We are here because we do not know our offense against humanity, why we have been treated the way we have been treated and been abandoned for over a year and 2 months today. Honorable Speaker, sir, it's been a year and 2 months since on the 26th of August 2022 that we woke up to meet unimaginable situation that came up at our site at ULEGUN community. We are all developers who went to ULEGUN community to acquire parcels of land, and by the grace of God we labored legitimately to see to it that we leave rentage and build houses so we can be able to take care of our families there, of which the persons who have done this, I'm one of them. We woke up on the 26th of August and we went to our site to discover that the whole buildings have been destroyed beyond human imagination, beyond renovation. We thought it was a dream until when we continually cried out. We went to our place where we used to build our houses and we could smile with our wife and our children and with our husbands that one day we'll be called landlord in our lands. All to the greatest surprise and the biggest shock of our life, that the struggle we are making to see that we leave rentage was brought to futility by one Mr. Frank Irabo, who is the Secretary to the Benin Traditional Council, and some other chiefs who were there on the day of the demolition. A lot of persons were there. They cried, they begged to see that these buildings were not demolished because we didn't know what we did, what our offense was. We were never notified, we were never informed that there was any form of dispute in that parcel of land. We were never also invited or warned at any point in time that this place you are developing is not yours. We cried to the community and they reaffirmed that this plot of land belonged to them. And we couldn't know where to go to. We cried to His Excellency, the listening governor, a man of the people, a man who does what he says and says what he does, a man who actually had the intention of his people at heart. As a governor, he listened to us. He did all he has been able to do, and we believe he will still be able to do more to see that we leave that poverty that some persons woke up and pushed us into. Until today, nothing of any kind have been done on that site. Not even at one time or any one of us have been given anything in form of compensation or appeal to us that these buildings, we are starting development today, or we see that any work is going on there. And that is why today we decided to cry out. We discovered that our cry have been heard by many, but we think we still have you to cry to. We still have a man that we believe that is the representative of the people. We have a man that we believe that listens to the common man. We have a man that we believe that when we cry to him, he will not send a representative. He will come and hear for himself. He will see for himself and he will act by himself. And since the day you emerged, sir, as the Speaker of Edo State, we have joy in our heart. And that is why we are here today, sir, to appeal to you to please help us speak. Extend your honorable voice. Extend your ever-respected voice as an appeal to the state government to please, sir, see to it that we are considered. We want to be compensated. We want our buildings to be restored. We want to go back to our houses. We want to celebrate with our families again. We are law-abiding citizens. We have never at one point, at any time, interfaced with any of these persons who demolished our properties. We believe that the law will take its course. And today, sir, we are hungry. We are not just here that these buildings be restored. We are hungry because we are alone. We took loans to build these houses. We borrowed money and we are servicing these loans. And that's why we are here today, sir. That please extend your voice. We have been hearing your voice. Extend your voice, sir, and see to it that we are out of this poverty.
Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly Honorable Blessing Agbebaku can tell the people of ULEGUN say may dem give them 7 days to chook eye wella for the matter, and say dem also need to hear from the other persons wey come scatter their houses.
We are here, we are 24 here, we are here to represent our constituencies, to make sure that they live well, to make sure that we eliminate hardship from them. Now, people are going through hardship, which you just brought to us here. And you've just mentioned a name. One, Frank Irabo, Secretary to the Palace. No problem. I want to assure you that this issue will be resolved. First of all, you give us some time to also do our own investigation on this issue so that there will be amicably settlement. You've just come here to say your own. The other side of the committee we've not heard. So we can't just take a one-sided, explanation. So you give us time, maybe like a week. We invite the said Frank Irabo. Let's also hear from him. Who is he? What is he on that plot of land? Is he the owner of the land? So we'll ask all those questions. At the end, we'll come into settlement. Since most of the buildings they have been destroyed, we also know how to also agree for your suffering to, if not totally, to an extent, to be alleviated. So I want to assure you that we'll go into. Unfortunately, the member representing Babaka is not here, Honorable Asonse Nicholas. We also reach him to join hands with him to see how this issue will be resolved. So thank you very much.
After the talk with Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Pastor Joseph, when he talked to our Tory person Ifunanya Okweze, talk say dem go still carry waka go meet the member representing Ikpoba-Awka constituency for the Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Asonsere Nicholas, make himself help them plead their case wella for the house.
We just come here today, as you first know before, you don't tell when we dey cry to the state government. So make them come help us. Because since when they demolish our house for ULEGUN community, we no get house when we say we dey stay. So now 1 year and 2 months, 9 days, so they abandon us. Up till now, they never build our houses for us. Now we come out today, say, we come talk to the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, and the honorable members when they for House of Assembly. Make them help us beg state government, and also make those people when be saying they demolish our house, make them ensure say our houses they build them back. Make we come out for rented because money no day. Make we go our houses. We don't get money to pay for rentage again. Now make us come here today. Make them help us. We don't tire. Since when they demolish our house, nobody they talk put. Up till now, they never build our houses for us. Now make us come here. The way the Honorable Speaker come outside, come address us today, we get that confidence. Say yes, indeed, we really get House of Assembly where they represent the people. So he talk to us. He say make we give them 1 week. He say make we give the house 1 week. Say them go look into this matter and they go ensure say the poverty. When they push us enter, say they come out us from inside that poverty. That won't be our problem. That won't be our pain. And that one be area where we say, in talk about today, when he give us that confidence, say yes, as in talk to us, in go really do it because we know him to be the man of a word. When they do it in the talk and they talk what they do. Today now, we just come here and the first person we will meet now the Honorable Speaker and the Honorables when they're on ground. Presently, we never meet with the Honorable Member when they represent Ikpoba-Awka. But definitely, we go must reach them because now they represent our local government. We believe say himself, Honorable Asonsere, himself na man when be say we get confidence in. When he no go leave us, say make this people they they suffer. So we believe in the man and we believe say when we reach him, himself go hear us and himself go represent us.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Kata Ojeisele, TMC TV News.